Human rights are the basic rights and freedoms that belong to every single person in this world from birth to death. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. So today we're gonna talk about human rights. So there are some, as I told, human rights are the basic rights that belong to every person in this world, and you also have a right to have your own voice and opinion. So let's discuss some more about human rights and let's see what are the basic human rights. So basically, these basic rights are based on shared values like dignity, fairness, respect, equality, and independence. Every person in this world have their own value and dignity. So basically, one of the way that human rights are protected and recognized by the law. So as I was talking, that one of the way that we can recognize the fundamental worth of every person is by acknowledging and respecting their human rights. So basically, human rights are the rights that people have over their own things, that people can talk freely, people can uh, uh, put their opinion everywhere, they should not hesitate to talk anywhere, anytime. So human rights are a set of principle concerned with fairness and equality for human beings basically. So the thing is that they define that we have freedom to make choices about our lives. We have freedom to be a potential human being. So basically, human rights are present to feel free in this world and live free from fear of anything, fear of being discriminated. So basically, human rights are rights for human beings. So human rights can broadly be defined as some laws that people around the world have agreed are essential, that we should keep in mind, that no one can talk about our rights. No one can talk about myself. No one can talk about me. I have my own right and I can take a stand against them. So basically, these rights include rights to life, rights to a free trial, rights freedom of speech, rights to take a stand because of inhuman treatment or any mistreatment, freedom of speech and freedom of our talking. We can talk about what are our beliefs. We can talk about our opinions, political or anything we want to talk about. So basically, these are the rights that we have over ourselves, and we can take a stand against people who try to cancel them, or who do not agree with them. You also have a right to your health and education. You also have a right of speech. You also have a right to talk about yourself. You also have a right to talk about the people who mistreat you. You also have a right to talk about inhumans treatment. So basically, human rights are same for all the people everywhere, and they are same for everyone, men or women, young or old, rich or poor, regardless of your background, where we live, what we think, or what we believe. So this is a thing that makes human rights universal. So human rights are basic rights that are applied in our life simply because we are human. Human right give all of us value in our society, such as fairness, respect, equality, and dignity. So basically, these are the four basic things that the human right is constructed on: fairness, equality, respect, and dignity for human beings. So basically, the top five human rights are, basically all of them are for equality, not being discriminated, but I'll list them all. Human rights are very, good for us. Most importantly, they provide us with power, and they enable us to speak up for because of poor treatments as a common person or as a public authority. So as I was talking about, that there are five basic human rights that are the most important ones. They I think so all five are gonna end up on equality. Number one is rights to your equality. You have a right to your equality. You should be the one who is equal to everyone. No one is higher and no one is on lower people people like call it racist. No, no one is, because you cannot be discriminated because of your skin, because of your gender, because of what you think, because of what you believe, because of your religion, because of your skin color. No, because of your beliefs. No, you cannot be discriminated. As I told, the basic and number one human right is rights to your equality. You should be the one who is equal equal to everyone, and everyone is equal to you. Number two, the rights, freedom from being discriminated. This is the second law that is for human beings, that you should not be the one who is being discriminated. Number three, the third one is freedom from that you have your rights to live, you have a rights to your personal security. Number fourth is freedom from slavery. You should not, if you don't like to be someone's slave, don't be someone's slave, because you have a right to talk about it. Number fifth is freedom from torture. Okay, so basically human rights are for everyone, not just for those who are being mistreated or being treated by inhuman behavior. So basically human rights help you in your day-to-day life in many areas, including your right to a good education, your right to a private family life, and your right not to be mistreated or wrongly punished by the state. Remember, everyone is equal. Every single human in this world is equal, regardless of their age, gender, beliefs, color, skin color, their property, their disabilities, their beliefs, political or any beliefs, their language, their age, their height, their weight. Everyone is equal. You should not discriminate anyone. That is very, very wrong. Putting human rights ideas into practice can help us create a society we want to live in. The society where we will not be the person being discriminated. A society where no one will be discriminated. The society where everyone will be equal. A society where no one will be discriminated because of their age, because of their color, because of their job, because of their beliefs, because of their religion, because of their language, height, weight, or anything. No one will be discriminated. We want to live in that kind of society. Yes, we all want to live in that kind of society. So we should work together to spread awareness. So basically, in recent decades, there had been a positive effect of the awareness. So basically, many awareness programs have talked about human rights, and that was a very, very good thing to do. So as I told, that was a very, very good thing to do, because many awareness programs have talked about human rights. A big amount of people have stand for the people who are being discriminated, who are being mistreated, who are being treated with inhuman behaviors. So that was a very, very good thing to do. So I'm gonna wind up this talk here, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. So we talked about human rights, and this, as I told, in recent decades, human rights awareness had bring a positive effect. So we think and we hope that human rights will be the thing that will be raising their flags, and discrimination will be finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below your favorite part, and I'm out.